Let's go through all the requirements of what makes a really good French drain pipe. You want to have inlets. You want to have really, really big inlets so that you can move the water quickly. You don't want it to hang around. You don't want it to saturate the subsoils. You want to have inlets 360 degrees all the way around the pipe. That way, if you have sediment that plugs the bottom inlets, you still can take water in from the sides and the top. And you want to have really big inlets 360 degrees so that you can move air during the drought season. The reason why ventilation is so important is because during the rainy season, tree roots will find their way into your system. During the drought season, you can air prune them off. Build a system to last forever. An extra heavy-duty pipe with a really thick sidewall will allow you to remove this much material and move this much air. This is the best pipe for a French drain system. This is the extra heavy-duty 8-slot, high-octane armor pipe manufactured by the Baughman Tile Company. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until the next video.